Yeah, good evening, dear students. Today I am going to explain vectors part 2. Today I am going to cover maximum number of questions, but I will maximum number of models. Why? Because already we have done the previous class. I have done around 18 questions. Now I am going to explain another important models. With this, I can complete successfully vector algebra. Definitely, I can give assurance you can solve the problems easily in the coming midterm in the coming term 2 exam, no doubt. You can answer. You can answer, no doubt in that. Now, so look at the problems one after one. I will explain. In between, if I have any doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I can repeat any number of times. You should have patience to ask the doubts. Try to understand. In between, if any doubts, ask me. I can repeat. Now I am going to start the problems now. See the first problem. I am going to explain the first problem now. Look at the first problem. So write the number of vectors of unit length perpendicular to both the vector a bar and b bar. Whenever they are using the word unit length, again perpendicular to both the vectors means a vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors means you should find Cartesian cross product of these two vectors. If you find cross product of these two vectors, it gives perpendicular to both the vectors. So that is important. You can find that Cartesian product of that. You will get always that. I can find here a bar cross b bar, but write the number of vectors they are saying here. Unit length perpendicular to both the vectors means, so there are two such type of vectors we have perpendicular to both the vectors. There are two such vectors of unit length perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Always we have. There are two. Correct. There are two such vectors. There are two such vectors of unit length. Yes, you can observe here. There are two such vectors of unit length. Perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Perpendicular to, you can consider here perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. We have two vectors. There are two such vectors of unit length perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Now, what about those vectors I can write? The required vectors I can write. The required vectors equal to plus or minus a bar cross b bar. This is a bar cross b bar. Just you can consider this is a bar plus or minus a bar cross b bar by mod a bar cross b bar. So this one gives, this is the required one, it comes here. So we can write here a bar cross b bar. Now total we have two such vectors. But you can find cross product now. You can find a bar cross b bar. If you find a bar cross b bar, I cap, j cap, k cap. We know they are given here 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 1. I can consider 0, 1, 1. Right, you can see here this is 0, 1, 1. I'm finding a bar cross b bar. You find this vector a bar cross b bar, you will get 1 minus 2. You expand this 1 minus 2 minus I cap minus j cap means you will get this one minus 2j cap and this one, and you will get 2 again 2k cap. You find magnitude of this mod a bar cross b bar magnitude you find. If you find magnitude of this, you can see just magnitude if you consider It comes mod a bar cross b bar equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 root 9, that will be 3. Now I can write the required answer. So the required answer equal to required vector plus or minus, we know minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap by 3. So this is the required one. There are two such vectors of unit length perpendicular both a bar and b bar. We get plus or minus. We get two vectors. So that is the required answer. I hope you understood this. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me, I can explain again. I hope it's clear, I think. Yeah. We do the next one now. I will explain the second one now. See the second problem now. You should solve the problems parallel to me, then better to understand. That will be easy to understand. So they are given the two vectors j cap plus k cap and 3I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap represent the two sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the length of the median through A. They are asking find the length of the median through A. We should find length of the median through A. You think about this problem. Length of the median through A, you should find this one. So midpoint, right, you will get this one. You can see here, they are asking here, when I am talking about this one, just you can observe here, if I write A, B, C, if I consider, just you can see what I am doing now, just you can observe here, if we draw triangle ABC, you take ABC. So I want median. Median means joining midpoint of the BC, right? This is median. What is the median? The line joining from vertex to midpoint of the BC base, right? Opposite side. Midpoint is the opposite side. So here I can write this is the line I can consider. This is AD. I can write this is AD. AD is the median. I should find AD is the median. But they are given the two sets AB bar is given. So AB bar is equal to, they are given AB bar is J cap plus K cap. And they are given AC bar. What is AC bar is given? 3I cap minus J cap plus 4K cap. They are given AB AC. Now to find the median. Correct. But I can say here, if you know the magnitude, I can find the dew point, I can do that. But you can see here, but if you know the B and C, I can find D divides this BC, that AD divides BC in the ratio AB is to AC. AB is to AC. Once if you know the point, we can find length of the median. That is one method, we can do that. But here, in this triangle, you can see here, this is a triangle, AD is the median here, right? Now here, this one, how to find this one means, if I extend this line like parallelogram, you can think, if I double up this one, if we do this, you can think this one. So they are given ABC. Make it the same area of this one, join this parallelogram if we do that. Right, if I do this one, because I can consider same thing, what I will do now, I can consider this one. Suppose if I extend like parallelogram, then I can add this one, this line I can extend, right, because I am trying this one, this triangle. I just try to understand here what I am doing now here. If we take this one, join this one, you can see, should be careful here. Just you join this A, B, D, C, I can write some E. This is a parallelogram, right? A will be the diagonal, right? A will be the diagonal. We know that AB bar. We know that AC bar. So A is the diagonal here. D is the midpoint. We know that. D is the, because since AD is the median, D is the midpoint of BC. You can say D is the midpoint of BC here. You can, D is the midpoint here. I can consider D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Now you can see here, A is the diagonal of this parallelogram. So what is I can find here? AE bar. AE bar, AB bar plus AC bar in a parallelogram. I can write AE bar is equal to AB bar plus AC bar. Then you can add these two vectors. So 3I cap, 3I cap. You will get plus J cap minus J cap. Then 5K cap. It comes like this. This is a AE bar. We got AP, add these two, AE bar it comes. Now what is mod AE bar? Find magnitude of this root of 9 plus 25. It will be root 34. Root 34, right? Since D is the midpoint of BC, again I can also know that AE. AE means here D is the midpoint of AE also. AD equal to DE. Half of AE gives length of the median. Here AD is the median. I can write mod AB, mod, I can write mod AD bar equal to 1 by 2 mod AE bar. We can write this mod AE bar. So you will get 1 by 2 into root 34. It will be half into root 34 units. So this will be our answer, right? That is the required answer. You join these sides, extend the lines parallel to the opposite, same magnitude, extend. This is a parallelogram. Consider A is the diagonal in a parallelogram. Find length of diagonal. Half of the diagonal length gives length of the median. This is easy way to find that. We can do like this. Now you can see the third one. Find the angle between the unit vectors A bar and B bar given that mod A bar plus B bar is equal to 1. Third problem. I hope you understood up to 2 problems. Now I am going to explain third problem now. This is a simple problem. Problems are simple. It takes very quickly, you can complete all these problems. Now you can see now. Find the angle between unit vectors A bar and B bar given that mod A bar plus B bar is equal to 1. But they given mod A bar equal to mod B bar equal to 1. They are given that. And mod A bar plus B bar is equal to 1 is given. Mod A bar plus B bar is equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides, I can write mod A bar plus mod B bar. Now you write mod A bar plus B bar whole square is equal to 1 square. Now I can expand mod A bar square plus mod B bar square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar is equal to 1. But we know that this is 1 square, 1 square. Again I can expand. I should find angle between the vectors. 2 into A bar dot B bar is mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. The theta is angle between these two vectors. The theta is angle between these two vectors. Right, but again we know that 1 plus when you transfer that side. 2 into mod A bar is 1. Mod B bar is 1. Cos theta equal to 1 minus 2. It will become minus 1. So you will get cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Then theta equal to 2 pi by 3. When cos theta negative minus 1 by 2 minus cos theta, that will be 2 pi by 3. Find the angle between two unit vectors they are given. Then you take mod A bar plus B bar is equal to 1. Squaring on both the sides. You expand mod A bar square plus mod B bar square plus 2 into A bar B bar equal to 1. Substitute the values. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Theta equal to 2 pi by 3. I hope you understood this. If you have doubt, you can ask me up to here. Any doubt? You can share me your name with the people who are attending. I know only one student is attending. You can share your name in the chat box. I can understand whoever it may be. You can share your name in the chat box. Right. Is it clear up to question number 3? And this is up to question number 3. Is it clear? Should I do the fourth one? I hope you understood the question number 3. Fine. Just you can discuss in the chat box whether I understood or not. If you want, I can explain up to question number 3. Any problem again, I can explain. Now coming to question number 4. See the question number 4. Find the magnitude of each of the vectors a bar and b bar having the same magnitude such that angle between them is 60 degrees and the scalar product is 9/2. The meaning is the given mod a bar equal to mod b bar is given. And as the angle between them is 60 degrees is given, theta is equal to 60 degrees is given, and they are given a bar dot b bar is equal to 9/2. The scalar product is 9/2. So they are saying here a bar dot b bar is equal to 9/2. Then expand what is a bar dot b bar, mod a bar mod b bar and cos 60 degrees equal to 9/2. But we know that mod a bar equal to mod b bar. So I can write mod a bar into mod a bar cos 60 is 1/2 equal to 9/2. Now you can simplify here. This 2 I can cancel 2. Then mod a bar square. Mod a bar square is equal to 9. Then mod a bar is equal to 3. So its magnitude should be plus. Therefore I can write mod a bar is equal to mod b bar is equal to 3. Both are equal, right? Both are equal magnitude. Very simple problem. Think and do that easy one that I explained, and I hope you understood this. The class who is attending, still any doubt you can ask me. I can explain. You can share me your name in the chat box if you don't mind. Share me your name in the chat box. Right. See it now. Now I think 4 problems I explained. Is it clear? Still do you have any doubt? Let me know. I can explain. Now coming to the 5th problem now. Simple problems but important problems. Now look at the 5th problem now. In 5th problem, if a cap, b cap and c cap are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then find the value of mod 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap. The given are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. When they are given this word, mutually perpendicular unit vectors means the meaning I can write again unit vectors. They are given a cap, b cap and c cap. Magnitude is 1. Even I can also write a cap dot b cap is equal to b cap dot c cap, the unit vector. C cap dot a cap equal to 0. Why? Because perpendicular. When two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product equal to 0. Their dot product is equal to 0. I have taken dot product equal to 0. And also we know that the given magnitude of this mod a cap, mod b cap and mod c cap is equal to 1, because they are given that. Already unit vector simple only I have written, right. The length is 1. You know that clearly. It is very clear. Now they are asking find the value of this. You can start with 2a cap b cap plus c cap whole square. You can expand this. You can expand this. I can write this one 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap, right, because I can say a bar mod a bar square a bar dot a bar dot, I can write dot product 2a cap. So I can write, so 2a cap and b cap plus c cap. Now if I expand this, you can observe here 2 and you will get 4 into a cap dot a cap. It will come mod a dot cap. It has got right a cap dot a cap. You can write a cap dot a cap plus you will get 2 into a cap dot b cap plus 2 into a cap dot c cap plus multiply with now multiply with b cap 2 into b cap dot a cap plus 2 into b cap dot b cap plus 2 into c 2 right no sorry here I written this I can write here after writing this one 2 into b cap into a cap here you won't get b cap dot b cap you won't get 2 here should be careful here this is not 2 here b cap dot b cap this also you will get here b cap dot c cap this dot product and third one if you use this one 2 into c cap dot a cap plus I can write c cap dot b cap plus c cap dot c cap. But since mutually perpendicular unit vectors, you can see the consecutive this one. All you can write here. A cap dot a cap I can write a cap dot a cap will be 4 into mod a cap whole square. Right, I can write mod, I can write this one mod a cap whole square. This will be 2 into 0 because mutually perpendicular vectors 2 into 0 and plus this also I can write 2 into 0 plus this one b cap dot b cap mod b cap whole square that one 0 and other vectors will get 2 into 0 because you will get the value everything right 2 into 0 if we substitute this one this is also 0 and plus this will be mod c cap whole square. Now you can check the value what is coming now. If we simplify this value you can observe here this I can write 4 into this is 1 this everything 0 you will get this one I can write you will get which is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 it comes 6 only the value it comes 6 therefore mod 2a bar plus b mod 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap is equal to root 6 this is whole square therefore I can write mod 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap is equal to root 6 our answer that will be our answer root 6 we got that I hope you understood this simple problem just expand and do that I hope you understood this right is it clear who is attending let me know understood this problem okay the people who join late also they can check if they are not understanding you can ask me I can repeat the problem now you can see find the projection of vector a bar on the vector b bar remember projection of vector a bar on b bar equal to the given a bar b bar always remember when they are talking projection of a bar on b bar when they are using the word projection of a bar on b bar means this will be always a bar dot b bar by mod b bar this is projection of a bar on b bar means a bar dot b bar by mod b bar so I can write now dot product use the dot product of this you can write 2i cap j cap plus 2k cap dot 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap by magnitude of mod b bar mod 2i cap 2j cap plus k cap this is a simple one only right you can see here when I have written this one if you use dot product it will come 4 plus 2 plus 2 into 1 2 by root of magnitude 4 plus 1 so it comes now 8 by root 9 it will be 8 by 3 right root by 9 right right 8 by 3 that answer is 8 by 3 check that out done correct Verify the values here. The given the vector 2, 2, 1. Check the values are given correct. Done. Verify that. Sometimes you may do the mistake here. The given 2, 1, 2. This given 2, 1, 2, right? Projection of 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2, 1. Just multiply this. You can simplify that. So then itself gives your answer, right? I think easy to do that, right? 8 by 3. Simple one. Projection of A bar on B bar means A bar at B bar by mod B bar. You should remember that. Don't confuse here. A bar at B bar by mod B bar. This is a projection of this one. Okay, right. Find the area of the triangle whose two sides are represented by the vectors 2i cap and minus 3j cap. They are asking find the area of the triangle whose sides are represented by the vectors 2i cap and minus 3j cap. So when they are asking area represented, this means I can consider, let our convenient, let AB bar equal to 2i cap, I can consider AC bar equal to minus 3j cap, I can consider. You find AB bar cross AC bar. If we take AB bar cross AC bar, this will become, just apply cross product. So minus 6 into I cap cross J cap. I cap cross J cap comes, it comes right, minus 6k cap. Because we know I cap cross J cap is k cap. You take magnitude of this. What is magnitude of this? Mod minus 6k cap. It will be 6, right? It will be this one, it will be gives only 6, correct? Now I can take it area now. What is the area of area? Find the area of triangle. So I can write area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 mod AB bar cross AC bar. So we know this, it will come 1 by 2 into 6, answer will be 3 square units. Your answer is 3 square units. That will be your answer, right? 3 square units. Simple problem. This will be just if the basics, if we know, easy to solve the problem. So you can write now 3 square units. 3 square units. Simple one. Right. Next, see the 8th one. Find the angle between two vectors A bar and B bar having the same length root 2 and their vector product is given. So they are given here, same length given, mod A bar equal to mod B bar equal to root 2 is given. They are given this mod A bar, mod B bar is equal to root 2 is given. And their vector product is given. A bar dot B bar is equal to minus I cap minus J cap plus K cap. What is the magnitude of this? Mod A bar dot B bar is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus, I can write this one. Oh, they given vector product, or not, this vector product is A bar cross B bar, right? So then magnitude of A bar cross B bar, it will be 1. Root, be careful here. The given vector product. So A bar cross B bar is given. A bar cross B bar is given, the magnitude of that. Then I can find sin theta. We know formula we have. We have sin theta equal to mod A bar cross B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. So we have this formula. So then this is sin theta equal to, I can write, this is root 3 by root 2 into root 2. It will be root 3 by 2. So then our sin theta root 3 by theta equal to 60 degrees. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So I can mention theta equal to 60 degrees, or I can say pi by 3 or 60 degrees. Theta equal to pi by 3 or 60 degrees. I hope you understood this. This is a simple problem. Just by using the given information, we can find sin theta. And we have taken the sin theta now. Right. You can see now find lambda and mu. If I cap plus 3j cap plus 9k cap, They are asking vector product of these vectors equal to 0 bar. They are asking find lambda and mu. We will find lambda and mu. So you can use vector product. Just use vector product, then you can find easily. What is the if I take vector product I cap, j cap, k cap, I can write this one 139, 139, you get 3 and minus lambda and mu, right? You can observe here 139 and this is minus lambda and mu, which is equal to 0 bar. Correct? They given this is 0 bar. Okay, this is a vector but gives vector only left hand side. Now if I simplify this, you can check that what it comes now. I cap into 3 mu plus 9 lambda into I cap minus j cap into, it comes mu minus 27 plus k cap into this one I can write minus lambda will get minus 9, which is equal to, I can write this one, you can see right side 0 bar plus I can write 0 I cap plus 0 j cap 0 k cap. Now comparing like terms on both the sides, you will get 3 mu plus 9 lambda equal to, I can get 0. And if we compare with the j cap coefficient both the sides, I can write this one minus mu. You can see the values, you can see that if we compare both the sides, j cap is minus mu plus 27 equal to 0. And third, we become k cap minus lambda minus 9 equal to 0. So here you will get this one, mu is equal to 27 I can find. And here I can find minus lambda is equal to 9, lambda is equal to minus 9. So lambda equal to minus 9, mu is equal to 27. Just find vector product comparing both the sides, like terms, then you get mu is equal to 27, lambda minus 9. If you want, you can verify the values here. 3 into mu, 81. 9 into minus 9. 81 is satisfying this equation also. Because you should satisfy this equation also. Then perfectly we have got here lambda equal to minus 9, mu is equal to 27. I hope you understood this right. Now you can see that if vectors a bar and b bar, such that mod a bar is given 1 by 2, mod b bar is 4 by root 3, and mod a bar cross b bar equal to 1 by root 3, then find mod a bar dot b bar. Using vector product, we find angle between those two vectors, then we can find dot product between those two. But I can use here mod a bar cross b bar equal to 1 by root 3. This one you can write 1 by root 3. Now squaring on both sides. If we do squaring on both sides, it will come mod, I can write this one. Or I can expand this. So instead of that I can expand this, I can find this one. Or square, if I expand this, if I expand mod a bar, mod b bar, it will be sine theta equal to 1 by root 3. Substitute the values, mod a bar is 1 by 2, mod b bar is 4 by root 3, and sine theta equal to 1 by root 3. Now you can simplify, 2 seconds simplify. So now you will get sine theta equal to, you will get 2, 1 by 2 it comes, correct? Root 3 will get cancelled, 1 by 2 comes. That means theta is equal to 30 degrees, implies theta is equal to 30 degrees. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2, theta equal to 30 degrees. Then they are asking mod a bar dot b bar, I can write mod a bar dot b bar equal to, you can think, they are asking mod a bar dot b bar. So I can write here mod a bar dot b bar You can find here mod a bar dot b bar equal to mod a bar mod b bar cos 30 degrees. So again mod a bar we know that 1 by 2, mod b bar 4 by root 3, and cos 30 degrees will be root 3 by 2. Now you can simplify this root 3 by, be careful, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So be careful when you are writing root 3 by 2. Now I can simplify now. This root 3 I can eliminate this one. So 4 by 4 it gives 1. So that is the result, right? Mod a bar dot b bar is equal to, it gives 1 here. That will be your answer, right? Now see now next question number 11. Find lambda so the vectors are coplanar. Important one, find lambda so the vectors are coplanar. They are asking find lambda value so the given vectors are coplanar. Find lambda so the given vectors are coplanar. See this problem, find lambda, the vectors are coplanar. When the given vectors are coplanar, whenever the vectors are coplanar, the vector like the scalar to group product equal to 0 always when the vectors are coplanar. So I can, very simple way I can consider determinant of, I can write 2 minus 1 1 and 1 2 minus 3, and I can write 3 lambda and 5 equal to 0. We expand this, we can find lambda value. Whenever the given vectors are coplanar, the scalar to group product equal to 0, like you can take determinant of, you write all the vectors, it will be 0. If I expand this, you can say I can write this one 2 into 10 plus 3 lambda and plus 1 into, then you will get 5 plus 9 plus 1 into, you can write lambda minus 6 equal to 0. So it comes, if we simplify this one, it will, you can expand this 20 plus 6 lambda, this is 14 plus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. You will get 7 lambda, 20 plus 34. So you can see this one, you can simplify this value. 14 minus 6, 8, 28. It comes minus 28. Lambda equal to minus 4. We got lambda equal to minus 4. That will be our answer, right? Lambda equal to minus 4. You should try to understand the coplanarity condition. Then you can do easy problem. You can do this. This will be easy, important one. Important one. I will explain with 4 points also. Right, next, find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are represented by the vectors a bar and b bar. They are asking area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram, they are given whose diagonals are represented by. When the given diagonals, your area of the parallelogram will be 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. Whenever the given diagonals, so your area of the parallelogram, always remember, area of the parallelogram equal to parallelogram equal to, again write 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. Area of the parallelogram when the given diagonals 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. Just you write, find a bar cross b bar now. We will find a bar cross b bar. They can find I cap, j cap, k cap. We'll consider. So 2 minus 3 and 4, I can consider 2 minus 1, 2. First you find a bar cross b bar. You find a bar cross b bar. If you find this, check the value of a bar cross b bar. I can find this one I cap into, we'll get minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 I cap minus j cap into 4 minus 8, we'll get 4 minus 8, 4 j cap and next k cap plus k cap into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 means 4k cap. So this we have a bar cross b bar. Now magnitude of that. What is the magnitude of this? Mod a bar cross b bar equal magnitude of this will be root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. 36, root 36. That will be 6, right? Therefore, I can write area of the parallelogram is equal to mod a bar cross b bar by 2. Mod a bar cross b bar by 2. I got mod a bar cross b bar by 2. The area of the parallelogram. You can write area of the parallelogram equal to mod 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. This mod only. Mod a bar cross b bar. So 1 by 2 into 6, it will be 3 square units. 3 square units. Your answer 3 square units. Area of the, when if you know the diagonals, if you know the adjacent sides, only like cross product of modulus of cross product of adjacent sides. But they are given diagonals. Area of the parallelogram equal to 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. You will get this one. 3 square units. 3 square units. Be careful, the people they may do mistake here. They may forget write off into. They may do mistake in the case of diagonals 1 by 2 mod a bar cross b bar. That is important. You should remember that. Now question number 13. Find a vector r bar of magnitude 3 root 2 units which makes an angle of pi by 4 and pi by 2 with y and z axis respectively. See, this is the problem we can think. Find a vector r bar of magnitude 3 root 2 units are given. 3 root 2 units which makes an angle of pi by 4 and pi by 2 with y and z axis respectively. So like you know, in a vector I can remember here, like with y-axis and z-axis respectively means you can remember like direction cosines. That is the concept of direct. They are talking about direction cosines only. So easily we can find here, because if you take it alpha, beta, cos beta, cos gamma, if we consider like the angles made by the x, y and z axis, then I can use this concept to solve this problem. Right. Here the simple concept is I can consider, so LMN the direction cosines. LMN direction cos if we consider, I can write. So but we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. And again here I can write M is equal to cos pi by 4. That will be 1 by root 2. N is equal to cos pi by 2. That will be 0. Correct? We know that L square plus N square plus N square is equal to 1. We will get L square plus M square will be 1 by 2. N square will be 0 equal to 1. So you will get L square equal to 1 by 2 it comes. L is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. L is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. We got L value plus or minus 1 by root. What is the required vector r bar now? Because magnitude of 3 root 2 units, right? We know here they are asking the required vector r bar, that you remember. The required vector r bar equal to 3 root 2 into, I can write Li cap, Mj cap, Nk. This is unit vector multiplying with 3 root, because the required magnitude 3 root 2. 3 root 2 Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. So then I can write now r bar equal to 3 root 2 into L means we know that I can write plus or minus 1 by root 2 I cap, and M means I can write 1 by root 2 J cap, and N value 0. So I can eliminate this plus 0 K cap. 0 K cap. With that 0 K cap we can write, right? 0 K cap. So then if you multiply with this, what will be r bar is equal to, you multiply with 3 root 2. So if you multiply with 3 root 2, you will get root to root get cancelled, plus or minus 3 I cap plus only 3 J cap it comes. Plus or minus, don't keep comma, plus or minus 3. We have two options, plus or minus 3 I cap plus 3 j cap. Only plus or minus should be only for first term. So this is R bar. That was they are asking to find R bar. We got R bar is equal to that. Simple one. I hope you understood this. Important one from exemplar book. Right. Now see the 14th one. The position vectors of the points A, B and C respectively they are given. C divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 3:1. Then find the values of lambda and mu. They are asking lambda and mu. So simple problem, you can think about this one. Position vectors of points A, B and C they are given. OA bar, OB bar, OC bar is given. C divides line segment joining A and B in the ratio 3:1. Then find the value of lambda and mu. So this is a simple problem. You can think here, they are given like this. So I can consider this point here, like this is A, B, and C is somewhere here, C here, C to the ratio 3:1. Position vector of A is given. This what is this one they are given, lambda I cap plus 3j cap is given, and the B position vector is given, right, 12 I cap plus mu j cap they are given, and position vector of C also we know that. So we can see 3:1 it divides. Now what can I write? OC bar equal to 3 into OB bar. 3 and I can write 3 into O, we can see here. They are given 3:1. I get 3 into OB bar. 3 into OB bar plus 1 into OA bar by 3 plus 1. I can put 3 plus 1. But OC bar also is given 11 I cap minus 3j cap. They are given this one 11 I cap minus 3j cap equal to 3 into OB bar. You multiply 3 into this, you will get 3 into, so 36 I cap plus 3 mu cap, so 3, you will get 3 mu into j cap plus this is 1 into A bar, this is 3 into OB bar, 1 into A bar, so you will get plus lambda I cap plus 3j cap by 4. If it is a cross multiplication, we rearrange this. If we do cross, we will get 44 I cap minus 12 j cap equal to this. So you can see 36 plus lambda. You can see here, comparing both sides, I can do this one. 36 plus lambda I cap. 36 plus lambda I cap. And j cap means 3 mu plus, you get 3 into mu plus, correct? We can compare with that. We can compare 3 mu plus 3. 3 mu plus 3 into j cap. Comparing like terms both sides, I can write 44 equal to 36 plus lambda. Then you will get lambda is equal to, you will get 8 here, right? Lambda is equal to 8. You will get, if you comparing this one. Again 3 mu plus 3 is equal to minus 12. Then you will get 3 mu is equal to 15. Mu is equal to minus 5. So lambda equal to 8 and mu is equal to minus 5. Like that you can find. The problem is simple problem. You can do that easily, you can do that. Alright. Think, practice. If you are looking, you may think it will be easy, but you should practice. That is most important. Practice is most important. You practice that, you can solve that now. 15th one. Look at the 15th one. Find mod A bar and mod B bar. They are given mod A bar equal to 2 into mod B bar. Then they are given A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is equal to 12. They are given A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is equal to 12. Now you can see here, I can also write here, because we know that dot product is commutative. A bar dot B bar is also equal to B bar dot A bar. If you expand this A bar dot A bar, it will come mod A bar square. You will get minus A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar dot B bar is mod B bar square, which is equal to 12. But we know this is dot is commutative, so I can eliminate these two, right? This commutative. So mod A bar square is 2 into mod B bar. If I expand this, 4 into mod B bar square minus mod B bar square is equal to 12. So this will be 3 mod B bar square is equal to 12. Now mod B bar square is equal to 4. Mod B bar is equal to 2. Magnitude, it never be negative, right? Mod B, we got mod B bar is equal to 2. You can see that what I have written here. Verify that you are done correct, verify that expansion, that everything. Mod B bar, 3 into mod B bar square is 4. So it comes mod B bar. Correct. You can check that mod B bar will be 2, right? But they are asking find mod A bar and mod B bar. Now you can find. Therefore mod A bar equal to now 2 into mod B bar. 2 substitute into 2. It will be 4. That will be 4, right? You get the 4. Mod A bar is 4. Mod B bar is 2, it comes. Correct, you should be careful that you do that. We get the required one. Correct. I hope you understood this. I am doing the 16th one now. Find the area of the parallelogram whose find the area of the parallelogram find the area of the parallelogram whose one side and a diagonal are represented by co-initial vectors respectively. They are asking co-initial vectors respectively. So this just you observe here. Find the area of the parallelogram whose one side and a diagonal are represented by co-initial vectors I cap minus j cap plus k cap and 4 I cap plus 5 k cap. They are given respectively. They are asking to find that area of the parallelogram. And one is the given co-initial vectors. So you can consider let A bar is equal to I can consider I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Another one diagonal with co-initial. Again a diagonal is d bar equal to 4 I cap plus 5 k cap. I can consider, right? I have taken these two, A bar and D bar. This is D diagonal. I have taken just diagonal. I have taken. Just you can see. So you consider this is diagonal. D bar I have taken. Correct. Now you can check that when they are given one diagonal and one, we can find other side, right? Always we know that if we take a parallelogram, they are given one diagonal is given. So you can think the diagonal is given, right? Diagonal is given and one side is given this one. So I have taken one is A bar I have taken and this is D bar I have taken. I related with this is B bar. So we know in a parallelogram A bar plus B bar equal to D bar. So from this B bar equal to D bar minus A bar. So this is D bar minus A bar. 4 I cap minus this one it comes 3 I cap and this one I can write minus A bar means plus J cap and 5 cap means it will be 4 K cap This will be b bar vector we got. Correct. When they're asking area of the parallelogram, mod a, because we know a bar and b bar adjacent sides. So I can find area of the parallelogram, mod a bar cross b bar I can find. First we find a bar cross b bar. We try to find a bar cross b bar. Now find a bar cross b bar, cross product. You find a bar cross b bar, I cap, j cap, k cap. I'm finding this. I cap, j cap, k cap. What is a vector? We know 1 minus 1, 1. Be careful. And b bar is 3, 1, 4. Now you will find this. You simplify. I cap into it comes minus 4, minus 1, minus 5 I cap. Check the value, minus 5 I cap. Minus 5 I cap. This one it comes minus j cap into 4 minus 3 minus j cap, and you will get 1 plus 3 4 k cap. It comes this one, minus 5 I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap. Magnitude of this. What is mod a bar? I can find mod a bar cross b bar equal to root of 25 plus 1 plus 16. Correct, you can add this one. The value root 42, right? Root 42. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to root 42 square units. Area of the parallelogram, you can write area of the parallelogram is equal to root 42 square units. You write area of the parallelogram is equal to root 42 square units. Root 42 square units. And so this is simple problem. Root 42 square area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. I have written here area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram equal to root 42 square units. Simple problem. I will explain another 3-4 problems. Of that important problem I have given, that you can solve it. See the next important one. Find x such that the 4 points they given are coplanar. Coplanar. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me now. Yeah, you can ask, you can check that here. So I will check that now. You can see here. Yeah. Now question number 17. Yes, I will discuss Vishal about that. Yeah. Find the given x such that the given points are coplanar. When they are asking find the point given points are coplanar, we see this problem. This is important model. You can also work out on this. Model is important. See now this problem. If I do this one, find x as the 4 points the given are coplanar. When the given 4 points are coplanar, you should find here, since 4 points are coplanar means you can write box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar equal to 0. That concept you can use here. Box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. Box product equal to 0 when the vectors are coplanar. When they are asking the given the points are coplanar, you should find the x value. So we can use the same technique. We can find it here. You can find it. We can write now. So here, that is the reason I told box, or you can say here scalar triple product also can say this one. So we will find given vectors A, B, C, D. The points I can write A, B bar I can consider. What is A, B bar? You find first A, B bar. We know points A, B, C, D. Position vectors is given. We will find now A, B bar I can write. So what is A, B bar? O, B bar minus O, A bar. So OB bar minus OA bar. So this is OB minus OA, 5 minus 4. It comes, I can write 1, comma this one, x minus 1 and 6 minus 2, 4. 1x minus 1 4, and I can find AB bar AC bar is OC bar minus OA bar. You find this OC minus OA 5 minus 4 1 1 minus 1 0 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 0 minus 3. I have taken AB bar AC bar. Now you taken AD bar also I can consider. So what is AD bar? I can write OD bar minus OA bar. OD minus OA 7 minus 4 3. I have taken, and 4 minus 1 3. Correct, I have taken this one. OD minus 1 minus 4 3. 4 minus 1 3. 0 minus 2. I written AB bar AC bar AD bar. Since the 4 points are coplanar, then you write AB bar AC bar AD bar are coplanar. So given that they are given that AB bar AC bar AD bar are coplanar then you will get box AB bar AC bar AD bar equal to 0. This will be 0. Then I can write determinant of this. I can write 1x minus 1 4. This is x minus 1 1x minus 1 we get 1x minus 1 and 1 0 minus 3 0 minus 3 3 minus 2. Here determinant equal to 0. This is determinant of this. Consider this is determinant, just expand this. You can find x value. So box AB bar AC bar AD bar equal to 0. We should find x value now. We can simplify this. So whenever they give 4 points, I can simplify this. If I simplify, this you will get 1 into, I will get 0, this one 0 and this one plus 9 and minus x minus 1 into it comes minus 2 plus 9 and I can write plus 4 into, I can write 3 minus 0 equal, you simplify, it will be 9 here, 7, you will get minus 7x, check that, minus plus 1 here, it will be plus 7 plus 12 equal to 0. So minus 7x equal to minus 28. Correct. X is equal to 4. Minus 28, x is equal to 4. This is x only. Consider this one, minus 7x is equal to minus 28. X is equal to 4. That is the required answer, important model. Expected question that. Important model also. Question number 18. For 3 non-zero vectors A bar, B bar and C bar, prove that box A bar minus B bar minus C bar minus A bar equal to, we should prove that 0. The box product gives 0 here. They are asking prove that the box product equal to 0. Now when they are asking the box product equal to 0, this is a simple problem, easy problem, but model is important. So the people, we can do in 2 ways this problem using the box product equal to 0, box A bar minus B bar. We can simplify this. Because this is scalar triple product, we can apply scalar triple product. According to that, we can do this problem using scalar triple product. Right. We can expand this. The value is equal to 0, we should show that, right? Everything can cancel, we will show that. Now you can see here, for 3 non-zero box A bar, prove that this result will be 0. I can consider box A bar minus B bar, box A bar minus B bar, B bar minus C bar, C bar minus A bar. If we take this, I can write this one, a bar minus b bar cross or dot you can consider anything. We use scalar via scalar triple product. I'm using dot. I can write b bar minus c bar cross c bar minus a bar. This I can consider. This is I have taken scalar triple product. Then I will expand this one. Will expand this. I can write this one. A bar minus b bar dot. I can write this one b bar cross c bar minus b bar cross a bar minus c bar cross c bar plus c bar cross a bar. Again I have written like this. Then you can see now, but we know that c bar cross c bar is 0 bar, this one. This c bar cross c bar will be 0 bar. I can eliminate that. Now you can see if I expand this, this will become a bar dot b bar cross c bar. A bar dot b bar cross c bar. This one minus a bar dot b bar cross a bar. And again you write a bar dot c bar cross a bar. It comes this one. And this one minus, I can extend this. Right, if I extend this minus b bar dot b bar cross c bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar minus b bar dot c bar cross a bar, it comes. If I write like this, now you can observe here, when the dot product, this I can write, this box, this value will be 0 bar, a bar dot b bar cross a bar, this will be 0 bar, this will be 0 bar, this will be 0 bar. I can write here, this is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So the box a bar, that will be 0. Box a bar, c bar, a bar, that will be 0. Box b bar, c bar, that will be 0. Similarly, this also 0. This is cycle. You can see here. I can write. This is box b bar, c bar, a bar. I can also write. This is box. I can write this one. Minus b bar dot c bar cross a bar. See here. This will be first one box a bar, b bar, c bar. Minus this also. I can write. This is a cyclic box a bar, b bar, c bar. This will be result will be 0. That will be your answer. Like this you can prove that. This is a method to simplify this problem. You have done that. Applying expansion should be careful for three non-zero vectors. Three non-zero vectors. Even the problem, if you are familiar, we can also do like this. Generally, this is a thing they do that. But we know that a bar, b bar, c bar non-coplanar. We know that a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar. I can also try this way. Another technique I am telling this one. Same problem, instead of doing this, since a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar, I can also write, see the another way, what I am saying this problem, you can write determinant of a bar I can write. So you can see that the coefficients I can consider. What I am saying this one, the same problem, you take determinant of a bar is 1, b bar is minus 1, there is no c bar in the first vector, 0. And second vector there is no a bar, 0, b bar is 1, minus 1. In third vector there is no b bar, I can write minus 1, I can write b bar is 0 and 1 into box a bar, b bar, c bar. You do like this, you expand this determinant, this will be 0 into box a bar, b bar, c bar, it comes 0. Like this is another method. Since box a bar, b bar, c bar not equal to 0, you expand this, we get 0 into that, we can prove that will be 0. You can prove that will be 0. This is a simple. So I have written this. The people have doubt here. How I have written this one first vectors will be like a bar is 1 here, b bar is minus, there is no c bar in the first vector. Second vector b bar minus c bar, so here I can consider a bar will be 0, b bar coefficient is 1, c bar coefficient minus 1. In third vector there is no b bar, consider 0 into box a bar b bar c bar. This is box a bar b bar c bar. So 0 into box a bar b bar, that will be 0. Right. See the last problem again, 19th one. They given a bar b bar c bar, find box a bar b bar c bar. They are asking find box a bar b bar c bar. What is box a bar b bar c bar? They are asking box a bar b bar c bar. So they are given a bar b bar and c bar. Find box a bar b bar c bar means if you find box value, simply I can write box a bar b bar c bar equal to just determinant you can consider. Just you write only determinant. It gives box a bar b bar c bar. You write determinant of 2, 3, 1 and 1 minus 2, 1. I can write and minus 3 and 1, 2. You can find this. Just expand now. But you can expand this. Expand determinant, expand, you will get 2 into, you will get minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 determinant expansion 1 minus 6. Should be careful. So this will be, if I simplify this one, minus 5 into 2 it will be minus 10 and this will 5, 15 it comes and this one minus 5. So it will come minus 30. Well, the value will be minus 30. We got minus 30, right? Just you have taken box a bar b bar c bar. You have taken, that is minus 30, that's all. See if the vectors are coplanar, find the value of lambda. The last one I am saying here. After other problems I have given model, you can do that. If the vectors are coplanar, find the value of lambda. These vectors are coplanar means again the scalar triple product equal to 0, same concept. When the vectors are coplanar, I can get scalar triple product. I can get right. When the vectors are coplanar, you can use same technique. I can write 1 minus 1, 1 coefficients and 3 and 1, 2 and I get 1 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. You take this. Then expand this. We will get lambda value. We expand this, we get lambda value. Just if I expand this one, just expand this, you can write 1 into, this is minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 1 into, you can write minus 9 minus 2, minus 9 minus 2 plus 1 into, it comes 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. You simplify. Minus 3 minus 2 lambda. If you simplify, minus 3 minus 2 lambda minus 11 and plus 3 lambda and minus 1 equal to 0. Minus plus 3 lambda, lambda. So minus 15, lambda is equal to 15. So that will be our answer. We get lambda is equal to 15. So like this, other problems you can continue, like extra questions you can do this. So these are the questions all from exemplar also I covered. You can write find the points are collinear. Since the points are collinear means you take like A, B, C. You consider like A, B bar equal lambda into B, C bar. Like that you can find this M value you can find. These are the problems, important one. These are the example problems in exemplar book. Try to solve these questions also. Along with the above questions, try to solve these questions These are the exemplar problems. Try to solve these questions also. Anyone help do you require to solve these problems? Let me know. I can explain to you. If it's required, I can explain these extra questions also. These are the extra questions I have given here. Just observe that this is extra question. This one. To along with this, these extra questions. So with this, I am going to complete the topic today. Try to solve these extra questions. Don't miss that. With that, I hope you understood this. Still you have doubt, you can ask me. I can explain. Any doubt, I can explain that. I hope who is attending is good. Practice these questions. Definitely you can maximize your score. You can improve your score. You can maximize your score. Okay. Fine. Then see you tomorrow then. Tomorrow in 3D I will tell you that. See you tomorrow. I don't know who is attending the class. Let me know. Someone is attending from the beginning. May know who is this.